This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking one clear goal and a single platform so you can move fast. This avoids spreading budget thin. Once chosen, make a simple landing page and one compelling offer, and install analytics and the conversion pixel. This gives you reliable measurement from day one. Set a modest daily test budget, create 2-3 ad variants, and name campaigns with a consistent convention. By starting small and measurable, you'll learn quickly and avoid wasted spend. Now you expand with disciplined targeting and rigorous creative testing. You'll map audiences from your first-party data, add lookalikes, and layer interests while excluding converters to protect efficiency. Create 3 headline and visual combos and a clear CTA, then run a /B tests across formats and lengths to discover what resonates. Once live, set bids and frequency caps, schedule ads for peak times, and let campaigns run for a 7 to 14-day window before judging performance. This avoids premature changes. To finish, scale winning ad combinations methodically. Raise budgets by 20 to 40% increments and duplicate top performers into broader audience sets. Make sure landing pages convert, improve load times, align headlines with ads, and minimize form fields. Once scaled, monitor ROAS and cost per action closely. If results slip, diagnose, verify pixel firing and attribution windows, check audience overlap and frequency, and rotate creatives to counter fatigue. These steps complete the loop and keep campaigns healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.